we create a new template. Let's begin AutoCAD with a new file. Select a CAD as a default template. Draw a rectangle. And size of this rectangle is going to be equal to our borderline, the paper size. So we start from 0, 0 as origin. For upper right corner, type 11, 8.5. Notice we have created a rectangle with that paper size. Now we can pan. You can press and hold the middle mouse if you're using mouse, or you can select navigation tool for pan. You can see, and I can zoom in, and you can see the rectangle we have created. Let's do other settings that we are seeing the entire screen with the grid lines. Let's turn that by typing grid tool from the keyboard. Change the size of the spacing for the grid 0.25 rather than 0.5, which shows in default, and press Enter key. Repeat this command by pressing Enter key again, and you will see other sub-command, and one is the limits. I will say no to that question. The question is, grid display beyond the limits? I say no. So this way, grid displays only up to the limits. So apparently, default limits is larger than still our paper size. Let's type limits and change the limits from 0, 0, which is the starting point, which we don't need to change. Press Enter key. For the upper limit, rather than 12 by 9, you will type 11, 8.5, same as our rectangle size. Now we have set our grid to 1/4 inch spacing, and we have set the limits to be equal to that rectangle, which is the paper size. Now we do a few more things.